Hey, if you've been thinking about starting a print-on-demand business but feel stuck, confused, or overwhelmed by all the tools and steps involved, this video is going to help you a lot. Because today, I'm going to show you how to start a print-on-demand business using trending products, without design skills, without complicated tools, and without spending hours figuring everything out. And the secret weapon we're using? Launchdio AI. Let's start with the reality. Print-on-demand is one of the easiest online businesses to start right now. You don't need inventory. You don't need to ship anything. You don't even need to handle customers directly in most cases. But here's where most people struggle: creating designs that actually sell. A lot of beginners copy random ideas, use low-quality designs, or spend hours trying to make something that still doesn't look good. And that's exactly why they don't get results. So here's the smarter approach. Instead of struggling with design, you focus on two things: trending ideas and speed of execution. And this is where Launchdio AI comes in. Launchdio AI basically allows you to turn simple ideas into ready-to-upload designs in minutes. No Photoshop, no prompt engineering, no complicated workflow. You just describe what you want, and it generates it for you. So let me walk you through a simple step-by-step process. Step 1. Find a trending niche. This is very important. Don't just create random designs. Look for niches that already have demand, like pets, fitness, relationships, jobs, or professions. You can browse marketplaces and look for designs with lots of engagement, reviews, or sales. Your goal is not to copy, but to understand what's already working. Step 2. Come up with a simple design idea. Keep it simple. For example, a funny dog quote for bold typography and clean layout for t-shirt, a motivational gym phrase, or a relatable joke about a specific job. Simple designs often sell better than complex ones. Step 3. Use Launchdio AI to create your design. This is where things get easy. You go into the Merch Maker feature, describe your idea in plain English, and let the platform generate the design for you. For example, you could type "funny dog quote with bold typography and clean layout for t-shirt." And within seconds, you'll get a design that's ready to use. No tweaking for hours, no frustration. Step 4. Upload your design to a print-on-demand platform. Once your design is ready, you can upload it to platforms like print-on-demand marketplaces, your own online store, or product suppliers that handle fulfillment. You simply add your design to products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, then write a simple product title and description. Step 5. Test multiple designs. This is where most people fail. They upload 1 or 2 designs and expect results. Instead, you want to upload consistently. Because Launchdio AI is fast, you can create 10 designs, 20 designs, even 50 designs, and test what works. Now let's talk about trending products. Right now, personalized and niche-focused designs are performing really well. Things like pet owner designs, couple gifts, job-related humor, custom name products. Launchdio also has features that help you create custom-style products, which usually have higher conversion rates. But here's something important. This is not a get-rich-quick system. What this does is remove the hardest part: creating designs. You still need to choose the right niche, upload consistently, and improve your listings over time. The advantage you now have is speed. Instead of spending hours on one design, you can create many and test faster. And in print-on-demand, speed plus consistency equals results. So if you've been waiting for the perfect moment to start, this is it. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need expensive tools. You just need ideas and a system that helps you execute them quickly. Try it, test your ideas, and see what works for you. Because the sooner you start, the sooner you learn what actually sells. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.